Hey beautiful souls, welcome back to Home in Harmony. I am absolutely thrilled to share today's transformation with you. We're creating a shopping Instagram-worthy entryway in my tiny studio apartment. You know that feeling when you walk into a space and it just makes you smile? That's exactly what we're achieving today with bold colors and smart design choices. If you're ready to turn your boring entrance into a personality-packed welcome zone, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for weekly design inspiration that won't break the bank. The power of first impressions. Your entryway is literally the first thing guests see, and honey, we're making it count. Think of it as your home's handshake. It sets the entire mood for what's inside. In a studio apartment, this tiny space has to work double duty, welcoming visitors while reflecting your unique style. The secret: creating visual impact that feels intentional, not cluttered. A well-designed entryway doesn't just look pretty. It makes you feel excited to come home every single day. Trust me, this small investment in your entrance will transform how you experience your entire space. Defining your color palette. Before we dive into the fun stuff, let's talk color strategy. I always start with one hero color. Mine is this gorgeous emerald green. Then build from there. Choose 3 to 4 colors maximum that make your heart sing. Think about colors that energize you in the morning and welcome you home at night. I love pairing my emerald with warm coral, creamy whites, and touches of gold. The key is balance. Use your boldest color sparingly as an accent, while your softer tones become the foundation. This approach creates cohesion without overwhelming your small space. Statement wall with wallpaper. Let's make some magic happen with wallpaper. This is where we can go absolutely bold without commitment issues. I chose this stunning botanical print that brings life and personality to our blank canvas. The trick with studio apartments is using wallpaper strategically. Just one accent wall creates maximum impact. Look for removable wallpaper if you're renting. It's a game changer. Position it behind where your console will sit, creating a beautiful backdrop. The pattern adds texture and visual interest that paint alone simply can't achieve. Remember, confidence is key when going bold. Bold paint colors. Now, if wallpaper isn't your vibe, bold paint can be equally stunning. I'm talking about those rich, saturated colors that make a statement. Consider a deep navy, vibrant coral, or my personal favorite, that emerald green we talked about. The beauty of an entryway accent wall is you can be daring without overwhelming your living space. Use high-quality paint with a slight sheen to reflect light and make your small space feel larger. Pro tip: paint the adjacent trim in a complementary lighter shade to make your bold color really pop and feel intentional. Functional furniture. Slim console table. Every great entryway needs a hero piece, and slim console tables are perfect for studios. Look for pieces that are 10 to 12 inches deep maximum. We want function without blocking your walkway. I found this gorgeous rattan beauty that adds texture while staying lightweight visually. The key is choosing something with personality that complements your color scheme. Storage drawers are a bonus for hiding keys, mail, and those random items that always end up on surfaces. Style it with a lamp, small plant, and decorative bowl. Boom! Instant sophistication that's also practical. Wall-mounted shelves. Let's talk vertical storage. My friends, wall-mounted shelves are absolute lifesavers in small spaces because they draw the eye upward, making your ceiling feel taller. I installed 3 floating shelves in varying lengths to create visual interest while maximizing storage. Use them for books, plants, decorative objects, and even practical items like sunglasses or small bags. The trick is mixing heights and textures. Combine plants with ceramic pieces, books with small artwork. Always secure them properly. Nothing ruins the vibe like a shelf falling down. Think of them as functional art pieces. Playful poofs or ottomans. Here's where we add some fun and flexibility. Poofs and ottomans are the unsung heroes of small space design. They provide extra seating when friends visit, a place to sit while putting on shoes, and can even serve as a side table in a pinch. I chose this gorgeous coral velvet poof that echoes our color palette while adding luxurious texture. Look for pieces that can pull double-duty storage. Ottomans are fantastic for hiding seasonal items or extra linens. The rounded shape softens all those straight lines from shelves and console tables, creating visual balance. Vibrant area rug. Nothing anchors a space quite like the perfect rug. In an entryway, your rug needs to be both beautiful and practical. We're talking about the spot where people wipe their feet. I found this incredible Persian-inspired rug in colors that tie our whole palette together. The pattern hides dirt while adding incredible visual interest. Size matters here. Too small looks awkward, too large overwhelms. Aim for a rug that extends slightly beyond your console table on both sides. Don't forget a rug pad. It prevents slipping and extends the life of your beautiful investment piece. Eye-catching wall art. Wall art is where your personality really shines. I created a curated gallery wall using a mix of photography, prints, and one small original painting. The secret to gallery walls in small spaces. Keep the arrangement tight and cohesive. I used frames in similar tones, brass and natural wood, to unify different art styles. Start with your largest piece and build around it, maintaining 2 to 3 inches between frames. Include pieces that make you smile every time you see them. Art should feel personal, not like it came from a hotel lobby. Trust your instincts and choose pieces you genuinely love. Mirrors for light and space. Mirrors are pure magic in small spaces. They reflect light, create the illusion of more space, and serve a practical purpose for those last-minute appearance checks. I positioned this gorgeous brass sunburst mirror to catch natural light from the window and bounce it around our colorful entryway. The key is placement. Mirrors should reflect something beautiful, not clutter or blank walls. Consider the shape too. Round mirrors soften angular spaces, while rectangular ones complement linear furniture. A well-placed mirror can literally double the visual impact of your carefully curated design elements. Decorative lighting. Lighting sets the entire mood, and in entryways, we need it to be both welcoming and functional. I installed this stunning pendant light that adds drama while providing adequate illumination for finding keys in your bag. If overhead lighting isn't possible, table lamps or wall sconces work beautifully. The fixture itself becomes part of your decor. Choose something that complements your style and color palette. Warm white bulbs create that cozy, inviting glow. Remember, good lighting makes everything look more expensive and intentional, so don't skip this crucial element. Smart storage solutions. Let's get real about storage. We need it, but it doesn't have to be boring. I incorporated several clever solutions that blend seamlessly with our design. A beautiful ceramic bowl corrals keys and loose change, while a vintage-inspired hook rack keeps bags and jackets organized. The trick is choosing storage pieces that look intentional, not like afterthoughts. Wall-mounted mail organizers, small catch-all trays, and decorative baskets all serve double duty. When storage looks good, you're more likely to actually use it, keeping your gorgeous entryway clutter-free and inspiring. Scented elements. Here's a design secret many people overlook. Scent. Your entryway should smell as good as it looks. I love using re-diffusers because they provide consistent fragrance without overwhelming the space. Choose scents that energize you in the morning. Citrus, eucalyptus, or fresh florals work beautifully. Avoid overpowering fragrances that might clash with cooking smells from your studio. A small potted herb like lavender or mint serves double duty, adding greenery while providing natural aromatherapy. The goal is creating a sensory welcome that makes you and your guests feel instantly at home. The art of layering. Now let's talk about bringing it all together through layering. This is what separates amateur decorating from professional-looking design. Layer textures, smooth ceramics with rough jute, shiny metals with matte paint. Layer heights, tall plants behind shorter decorative objects, stacked books under small sculptures. Layer patterns carefully. If your rug is busy, keep wall art simpler. The magic happens in these thoughtful combinations that create depth and visual interest. Take time to move things around until the composition feels balanced. Trust your eye. If something looks off, it probably is. And there you have it. Gorgeous humans, a vibrant, personality-packed entryway that proves small spaces can make big statements. Remember, great design isn't about having a huge budget or perfect space. It's about making intentional choices that reflect who you are. Your entryway should make you smile every single time you walk through that door. If this transformation inspired you to tackle your own space, I'd absolutely love to see it. Tag me in your photos. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly design inspiration. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you, and drop a comment below sharing your favorite tip. Until next time, keep creating beautiful spaces that make your heart happy.